Hey, this is Mega T-Bone 41 doing a review on my SG 550 mini machine gun, Airsoft. So soon I'm going to do a review on the M2 48. I'm about to get that one in the mail, so I'll do a review on that. So I'm going to do this one and I'll do a test fire later. So it has a bipod, doesn't work that well. Not really, so that's really nothing. Safety, you can't pull it, a little safety thing. The scope, actually it's not a scope, it fills up with ammo, then it goes down through there into the gun. That's about it. There's really nothing on it. So I'm gonna do a test fire. I'll go outside. Ammo. Hold on a second, let me load it. Here, let me load it, I'll be back in a second. Alright, let's load it. I spilled some BBs. That's okay. So we're going to do a test fire. I think it's too bright over here, so we'll do it right here. So I'm going to do a test fire now. You see it? Okay, I'll aim at something. Okay, let's just try it from here. I'm not aiming at anything. Hold on. Darn. Hold on a second. Okay, I think it's ready. So it has like 200, or not that much, I think only like 160 FPS, so it doesn't shoot very far, but it does hit pretty hard. So I'll try again. I'm aiming at the little pool house over there. Then I'll aim into the tree house way over there. Then the basketball thing. So it bounces off that pretty hard. That's about it. I'll come back in a few days with the M248. Bye.